We are here with the all-new 2021 Yukon Denali in Pearl Beige Metallic. Now, this Denali is equipped with every single available package add-on, so you might want to make yourself comfy because we're going to be here a while because it has a lot of features to show you. So many that I can't even remember it off the top of my head. It has the Denali Premium Package, which automatically includes the Advanced Tech Package, Max Trailering Package, Advanced Trailering Package, Cargo Convenience Pack, an Illumination Pack, Pro-Grade Trailering System, and Premium Capability Track with Active Response 4-wheel drive. So let's get in on this Yukon. There have been a few updates to the front of the 2021 Yukon. The headlights have a little bit more of an angular shape and this cool C-shaped LED light going on inside that look really cool when they're on. Your LED fog lights have also been updated. The shape is a little bit more rectangular. Unique to the Denali is the satin chrome finish grille, which is a really tasteful way to add chrome in my opinion because it's just a little bit more subtle. There are two engines available. On the SLE and SLT, you will get a 5.3 liter Ecotec V8, but on the Denali, you can get a 6.2 liter Ecotec V8 that has 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. Before we move around from the front, I want to tell you about one cool feature that comes with the Illumination package. This front emblem lights up. So that transitions us really well to the side because there's one more cool feature with that Illumination package. Underneath this mirror, there is a light that illuminates the GMC emblem on the pavement, which is really nice. It happens when you are approaching and unlocking your vehicle. A couple other features, these are upgraded 22-inch wheels. 20-inch wheels are standard, and probably my favorite, there are retractable assist steps that also have LED lights, so really easy to get in and out of your car. And I like that they retract because then they don't interrupt with the beautiful lines that this Yukon has. There have been some more aesthetic changes to the back of this Yukon. The taillights are different this year. They carry over onto the liftgate. And a few other features that I like that really just cleaned up the overall look of the car is this windshield wiper is tucked away up under there, so it's not just like out and bulky at the bottom. The way to access your tailgate button isn't a weird handle anymore. It's tucked away in this nice pocket. And if you don't want to open it that way, you can use your key fob, or there is a hands-free option because there's a sensor underneath here. If you just wave your foot, it will open. So the cargo area is pretty cool. As we mentioned, it has a lot of packages. One of those things include some storage options like a cargo net that is GMC branded, as well as this bin, which folds up like an accordion. So if you're not using it, you could tuck it away. And a couple of other things, you have a 110 volt outlet right here. So if you wanted to keep food warm during like a drive-in movie or a fun tailgate, you can do that. It also has power retractable third row seats that you can bring back up as well, or you can even put down your second row captain's chairs. This Denali features an exclusive color on the inside. It's called teak or light shale. And these seats are heated and ventilated, which is a standard feature on the Denali. They also have a beautiful geometric pattern stitched into the seats, which give it a really beautiful contrast. And all of the wood throughout the inside of this car is real, which makes the grain look really authentic. It feels authentic and it looks really upscale. So the Bose Premium audio system comes standard in the Denali, and you'll get 5 extra speakers compared to the 9 speakers that are in the SLE and SLT trims, which makes for 14 speakers. You also will get navigation included with your 10.2-inch infotainment system, and included with the Denali Premium package is a power panoramic sunroof. You have a class-leading 15-inch heads-up display that will show things like the speed limit, your driving speed, audio information, and some of your safety features like lane keep assist. You have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much charging and connection capabilities. You have wireless charging, which is standard on the Denali, plus 8 USB inputs and 2 110-volt outlets and a 12-volt outlet. So you can charge things like your laptop, a ton of cell phones, so much stuff. The Denali uses magnetic ride control to give you a buttery smooth ride. You can optimize your powertrain and driving modes. You can switch between like sport, tow and haul, or normal. There's also hill descent control in 4-wheel drive, which is standard on the Denali. This makes it easier to control your Yukon on different surfaces other than pavement. Now, you don't have to be intimidated about driving a larger full-size SUV because this one is equipped with surround view cameras that you can easily access, and it will show you all the way around your Yukon. And you have like 9 different camera views. You even have something that will help you hitch up a trailer to the back. A lot of help going on here. This also includes this rear view mirror, which can easily be switched to a normal mirror, or it can utilize the camera that's located at the back of the car. Climbing into the second row of this Yukon Denali, the Denali does come standard with these captain seats, which are also heated, and you will get a bench seat if you have the SLE and SLT. Now, one thing that's really cool that we have is the available 12.6-inch media system, which you can also get on the SLT as well. And it's pretty amazing what you can do with this. You can watch movies, listen to music, you can screen share, you can even connect your Roku Fire TV stick, your Apple TV, so you can guarantee your passengers are going to be pretty entertained back here. Not only will your passengers be entertained, but they will be kept quite comfortable. You can control those heated seats from this control panel, as well as the fan speed, your temperature. You also have USB-C, HDMI, and you have another power outlet. So if you want to charge your device a little bit faster, or if you have like something larger like a laptop, you can charge that with this power outlet. There will be 3 more trims available later on this year. The first is the Yukon XL, which features double the cargo volume and more third row legroom. You'll have the first ever AT4, which will have more off-road capabilities, and probably my favorite, a 3-liter Duramax diesel will be available to put under the hood. That's going to give you more towing capabilities, better fuel economy, and more power. So if you want to check this Yukon out, you can at Capital Buick GMC, proud member of DGDG.com, and with our all-new no-brainer checkout, you can buy this car online. Thanks!